This is a cold start video of a 1961 DKW 750 Junior. This is the adorable 34 horsepower 3-cylinder engine. I'll touch the radiator and the heater hose and the top of the head to show that it is in fact cold. Hasn't been driven in a couple of days, but it usually starts right up. Turn the key, clutch in. There's a little switch here for the fuel pump, which you can hear start. Starts right up. Take the brake off. This is a 4-speed on the column, and it's got a little indicator here. Reverse is in and then up. Just gonna back it out of the garage a bit. Neutral. And there it is. It's a little bit cold. I don't usually have to adjust the choke unless it's much colder outside. It's currently like 78 degrees outside right now, so that's why it started right up. If it was a little bit colder, you might have to pull the choke out a bit. Sounds like a weed whacker, except it's on dinner plate size 12-inch wheels. A little bit of wear on the top of the fender. We believe it's the original paint. Headliner in the back's coming down a little bit, but otherwise the inside is in pretty good shape. And a little bit of wear on the driver's seat. The inside of the doors are in great shape. Seats come forward a bit. This is a 2-stroke engine, by the way. There are instructions on the gas cap.